Welcome to our guide on urban gardening consulting. Today, we'll explore some fantastic resources to help you grow your own food in small spaces. First up, let's talk about books. Urban Gardening by David H. Martin offers practical advice on soil preparation, composting, and pest management for small spaces. Another great read is the Urban Homesteading Handbook by Kelly Coyne and Eric Knudsen. It covers gardening, food preservation, and even raising animals in the city. For those who prefer listening, check out the Urban Farm podcast. It features interviews with experts and tips for urban farming and gardening. YouTube is also a treasure trove of information. Watch Urban Gardening, how to grow your own food in the city, for tips on utilizing balconies, rooftops, and backyards. If you're looking for structured learning, consider the Urban Gardening course on Coursera. It covers everything from soil preparation to urban agriculture policy. Websites like Urban Farmers and the Urban Homestead offer a wealth of resources, including tips for growing food in small spaces and information on urban agriculture policy. Thank you for joining us. With these resources, you'll be well on your way to becoming an urban gardening expert. Happy gardening!